Right, do you know what? We've got to have a cheeky look around, haven't we? See how far we can get without getting stopped by cameras. See how long we can get before we get stopped by security. I'll tell you what, some of the foods here is smelling nice, really nice. Nice and that. German thing. I don't know what to really say about the Camden locks as well. There is a lot. There's sort of like vibrant culture to it.
What do you want?
There's all sorts of things. There's a shop for flat caps. There's all sorts here. Oh. That is just random. They do not care at all, them birds. At all. Corn Exchange Market. Oh, sorry. Hurry. Yeah, we had to have a cheeky. Had to have a cheeky look down on the Camden Market side of things, because I don't see why not. We're here. We might as well not waste the opportunity of it all. Probably I wonder if the food's probably over expensive because it's a tourist trap area. But probably is going to be overpriced with it being a tourist trap area. I'm thinking of. Right, so. Right. Oh. Got squeezed fruit. It's a lot of food. A lot of food. A lot of food places, a lot of culture, a lot of history. It's a great way of seeing different people getting together and having fun. Right, there's a little sneak peek of the little market. So I think it's time that we go down and get back to the London Central, because there's a few other places that are literally left on the list that I do want to check out on. So there is a sea life as well. I don't know if the Sea Life Centre is big enough, and the Madame Tussauds. Madame Tussauds is going to be a bit of hit and miss as well for me. But for the meanwhile, I'm going to have a try. I'm going to walk on there. Right, let's go watch my pockets as well, I guess. It's a bit nippy as well. Do you know, if it was sunny, it would just be me jumper just advertising the channel. Advertising the channel. Okay. I think this is what they mean by Camden locks. Just because of the two locks there that lead through the River Thames. Thames to it. Do you know what? It is a little bit hot. I'm just gonna unzip for a moment. Just gonna unzip. But yeah, Camden Market, what a place, what area to explore on. Something that I definitely wouldn't have thought of coming down on my little solo trip. That's a shame as well. I can't wait for next year when Sam is managed to find some free time, where she gets a better workplace and be able to join me on weekends. on weekend trips. Because that's what I'm waiting for. You know, I feel bad most of the time going on these solo trips by myself while Sam's working. But at the same time, we did kind of like agree to it as well. That is that we do need to keep the channel active and going. Damn. I think I know a few people that'll be wearing them shoes. Right, I'll be back in a moment. I'll be back in a